Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram bug. So the answer is simple. Go to the settings, then as you see here, you will scroll down to the apps and then go to the search and search on Instagram. Okay, so as you see here, go to the storage and then you will find this clear cache here. Click on it and see if it works. If it didn't work, you can try to maybe restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to clear data, but be careful, you will lose all your data. So be careful when you wanna clear data. So that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.